I will just sing a bit and then show it to you. This is the most difficult even for the singer, and you can imagine the composer, because the swaras, they themselves give out the essence of the raga also, the meaning. Using only the 7 notes or swaras of our music, he has brought out the entire essence or the meaning or the words. The beauty of the Kriti.
The recently Lalgudi Jayaraman and Sammangudi is tuned this 7 notes Kriti. Only 7 note Kriti is very difficult to sing. Very rare compositions about Devi, Datta. It's very difficult to sing. Sa, Ri, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni only. Now Swamiji is singing Pallavi, Anupallavi, Charana about Devi Kriti. Now, for example, I think Padmamurti is giving, for example, is a wonderful research. I am very happy. So before that, I have no time to sit. I am thinking, 7 o'clock or 9 o'clock, what we have. Where I am very, very, very angry. What can I do? We will see. Then, very interested. Especially, I am very interested of Amma research about only Swamiji's Kritis. It was a great job. That's why she made four PhDs.
Swamiji has composed so many types, as I already told you. Every day, every hour, every minute, every second, he keeps on composing various types. So even if 10 scholars work on PhD thesis, it won't be enough in one's life. And many of the things are beyond scientific analysis, which Swamiji only knows.
Is there an example? Swara? Swaraksha, okay, please.
This is in Sindhu Bhairavi Raga.
Last week, I think, recorded. Just last week, we have a new Swaraksha bhajan recorded in Lalgudi Jayaraman. Before starting. In the Madras. There are Samuhika singing. So all musicians are sitting and singing. Thousands of musicians. Very popular Swamiji's Kritis in Madras people. That's Swarakshara. For example, Navaratri is released.
This is in Sindhu Bhairavi Raga. Pada 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 darini. Pada 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 darini. Sari 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 padani darini. Sari 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 padani darini. Mada 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 madarini. Mada.
Pada 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 ni darini. Mada 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 madarini. So the meaning is very difficult meaning. Wonderful meaning, okay.
Paga 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 gadani.
Okay.
Paga 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 gadani. Sada samadani. Sada sannidani. Sada samadani. Sada sannidani. Sada samadani. Sada samadani. Sada sannidani. we can sing in so many times, so many variety Swamiji has given. It is really a hard task for a musician to sing. Sada samadani, sada samadani, sada samadani, sada samadani, sada samadani.
It will looks only notes, but there is meaning.
Sada samadani, sada sannidani,
Sada sannidhani. Oh.
sada sannidani, sada
It's a book printed.
sannidani.
You have not seen. You go and Yoga Sangita, then you understand. Please become a member Yoga Sangita, then you understand this music. Go website Yoga Sangita, then very details about only special meaning about bhajans. There's only 3 only printed.
No. 12 they have been published.
12.
In second part and third part they are there.
Okay.
Bhajana Yoga, Telugu.
Pada.
Saridarini.
Saridarini. Okay. Sari pada, dari darini mani. Mada magani. Oh. Paga, nigani. Sada samadani, sada sannidani, సచ్చిదానంద పదమందని. ఇక్కడ మాత్రం సత్ చిదానంద అనేటువంటి ముకుటం రావాలి కాబట్టి అక్కడ మాత్రం కంప్రమైజ్ కాకోకుండా వేసేసాం అంతే. తప్పితే అంతా మొత్తం సత్ చిత ఆనంద అన్ని స్వరం ఉంది కాబట్టి దాంట్లో కూడా శ్రీ గణపతి సచ్చిదానంద స్వామీజీ మీరు వెతకండి. శ్రీ గణపతి సచ్చిదానంద స్వామీజీ అన్ని స్వరాలు ఉన్నాయి దాంట్లో.
పాదని SRGMPDN.
శ్రీ
All the letters you can find.
all the
in
letters
this name.